Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a magical face mask to remove your dark spots, acne scars, pimples, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation as well as any type of scars, blemishes, skin discoloration from your skin, and this face mask will make your skin spotless, radiant and crystal clear. This is a highly beneficial and 100% effective magical home remedy to specially remove your old scars, blemishes, spots or any type of scars which you have on your skin. So there are basically two main ingredients of this home remedy, and those ingredients are cinnamon powder, which is also known as dalchini powder in Hindi, and the second one is nutmeg powder, which is known as jaifal powder in Hindi. And to prepare both these powder, you just need to take the dalchini or cinnamon and the jaifal or the nutmeg and then crush it or grind it in a grinder and make a fine powder out of it. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade magical mask. And to prepare this mask, we firstly have to take approx half a teaspoon of nutmeg or jaifal powder in a clean bowl. After that, we have to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder or dalchini powder in it. And after adding both these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the honey, and we have to add 1 big tablespoon of honey in it. And now after adding the honey, just give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade magical mask is ready, and it will look like this, and the consistency of this mask should be a little thick as I'm showing you in the video, and it should be so much smooth and lump free. So now let me tell you the best way to use this face mask to get effective results. And you just need to take a little amount of this mask and apply it on the areas where you have old scars, blemishes, dark spots or any type of spots or blemishes on your skin. And after applying it, just give a gentle massage for only about 10 to 15 seconds. And after that, just leave it to dry at least for 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, just rinse it off with normal water and then pat and moisturize your skin really well. And after applying this face mask, there will be a little tingling sensation on your skin, but that's perfectly okay. There is no need to worry about that. And if you want best results out of this magical home remedy, then you just need to do it only once a week. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.